A man brought milk to a baby deer that had been abandoned by its mother. When he walked into the house, the baby deer ran after him while crying.
Hi! Hi, baby!
There goes my heart.
Good.
'Cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason